Good evening, all the delegates here.
Only 4 minutes.
Yes, please, sure. I am Dr. Srinivas. I am Secretary, National Medical Commission, and I represent the apex body for the medical education regulation for the whole country. And as you know that our country, many of the doctors who are here, want to be doctors, are medical students. One of the most important destination happens to be Russia. Recently was also Ukraine, but since that Ukraine issue has come, most of the doctors are going, students are going to Russia. And we as an apex regulator want to maintain the quality of medical education that is there in our country. And right now, India is the largest producer of the doctors in the whole world. We have approximately 110,000 medical students, MBBS students that are being produced every year. We have 700 medical colleges. And the main job of the National Medical Commission, which was earlier known as Medical Council of India, is to see to it that the quality of education that is being given to the students is top-notch. The doctors that are coming out are well trained so that they'll be able to take care of the patients. And of course, Russia has a very good medical system. And if we have a good relationship with the medical systems of Russia, and we have a good understanding, MOU kind of agreements with the Russian universities, I think there'll be easier approachability for our students to go to Russia, and the Russian students also to come here and study in India. India leads in medical education, also in hospitals. We have a large medical tourism that is going on in the country. And we give a very affordable kind of a medical treatment in our country. Many patients across the world, they come to us for the treatment. And India can become an apex export house for the candidates, for the students to go abroad. So this is we have in the NMC 4 boards that is there. In the 4 boards, we have a UG board, a PG board, MARB, which does the assessments part. And all the boards can sit together. And in fact, tomorrow, I think the ministers, honorable ministers are coming to visit the NMC. We'll show the NMC how the functioning takes place, how the students get into the system. We have an examination called NEET, which is mandatory for any student to become a doctor. Then we're planning to have a next exam. That is, it's like a licensing exam, which we want to plan to start from next year. So if this kind of a examination pattern, and if the curriculums are matching with the Russian curriculum regulators as well, then it'll be easier for us to have easy access of the students. Now, the main problem that the students right now are facing is that the students are going there and studying there. When they come back, they are not able to clear that FMG exam. So that is one of the main concerns that is there. And we would like to see how that can be improved, the results can be improved. I think one of the reasons why the FMG exams results are slightly poor is because the language of education maybe is slightly different. They are not able to cope up when they come here. We want to ensure that if the curriculum is something that is matching with that of the MBBS students that we are teaching here in India, if that matches with them, then I think the quality of education can improve, and the students who are studying in Russia, they can easily pass the FMG exam and they can practice here in India. So we are having high hopes because Russia is one of the leading expertise for the medical field. And it will be a win-win situation for both the Indian students as well as Russia, that we have a good tie-up. Also, in the new education policy that the Honorable Prime Minister has got recently, you can also open up franchises or medical colleges in India. And already we had 3 or 4 representations from one from Philippines, 2 from US has also come. And 1 from UK. They want to open up a medical college in India, and they are exploring how the campus can be built in India, and then the students can go back to their own parent countries, because we have a very good medical education system, and Russia also has a very good medical education system. And keeping in view that we have a very good friendship treaties between Russia and India from long period of time, I think this is high time that we can make this into a reality and make it some kind of an agreement, so that the movement of the candidates and the doctors takes place in a profitable manner. I think with this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you so much.